I'm Doug Shablowski.
And I'm Adam Kramer.
And this is Stupid News, brought to you because this is the Lunitalk show. Ding. In a small town in Idaho, thousands arrived to see what they thought was the first human with powers, a prisoner that claimed he could survive a plane crash. The state let him have a plane to show off his powers, and he got away.
That's just plain dumb. Fedoras have been officially banned in Europe as they are seen as a crime against humanity. 23 people have already been arrested for doing fedora tricks in public. They will be hanged.
That's a noose. The Hudson Bay is being drained for the world's first FidgetCon. 7 nations, including Canada, have said they will send hydrogen bombs.
Holy crap.
Holy crap.
Speaking of holy, India has said it will stop all trade with the US if it doesn't stop using cows as a source of food. Trump has agreed to the deal, citing he's always liked dog milk better.
Now a word from our sponsor.
Hello, welcome to my new product that I'll be showing. It looks like an octopus, but it's a mask, or a squid actually. You can put it over your head and press a button in the back, and then it allows you to breathe underwater for an extended period of time. I'm here with my assistant Leroy, who for legal reasons I cannot show his face. He'll be demonstrating it today. I'll be putting it on him and then shoving him in the water. So,
I don't feel safe.
I already paid you, Leroy. I don't care.
Yeah, but we have
I already gave you the money.
It
It doesn't matter if it's not tested.
Okay, well,
we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it right now. If it
I'm
works,
not doing this.
if it works,
I'm not
you will
doing
get
this.
even more money. I already agreed with you. Put it on, Leroy. Just put it on your head.
No.
Put it on your head.
I'm not putting it on my head.
Put it on your head. I'll just do it myself. I just gotta. Listen, all I gotta do is just put it on. Where's the button? Oh!
Stop! Blooper time, that's out of focus. Stop! Blooper time! I'm Doug Shablowski.
And I'm Adam Kramer.
And this is...
Stupid
Are you even gonna say it?
No, I forgot how it goes.
I'm Doug Shablowski. I'm Doug Shablowski. I'm Doug Shablowski. In a small town in Idaho. Holy crap, Peter. Holy crap, Peter.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Anywho, the Hudson Bay is being drained for the world's first FidgetCon. 7 nations, including Canada, confirming they all be sending hydrogen bombs.
Oh.
Wait, do you have your fidget spinner? The world is being drained. The Hudson Bay is being drained for the world's first. The Hudson Bay is being. I don't know how to do this.
What are you doing?
7 nations, including Canada, have said they were sent. 7 nations, including Canada, have said they will send.
Holy crap.
This is the worst, like,
Hello, welcome to my new product. And all I gotta do is just put it on. Where's the button? Oh!
I feel so heavy. Oh, I'm so tired right now. It really is horrible.
If I'm ever in the water with clothes, I'm just gonna get naked.
So I already finished this puzzle right here. It's a beautiful village, but I'm working on this one next. But Thanks for watching.